Let's take a look at this 80s classic. 1988 Dodge Daytona Coupe. And yep, check that out. T-top car. Cars and Concepts. We would have installed the T-tops in this. They are the glass T-tops. Took them out for the video and some of the pictures. I also have still pictures with the T-tops in, so you can check it out both ways. This particular car was started out as a Daytona blue color also. So you got a Dodge Daytona, Daytona blue. Has had a repaint along the line somewhere. It does have a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. North Dakota car to start its life. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let you take a look at the front nose or fascia. Phone number 507-386-1726 if you'd like to give us a call. Riding on Cooper Cobra radials. 2.2 liter intercooled turbocharged engine underneath the hood. That's paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, as you can see. Center console, shifter on the floor. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Have not had the AC clutch engage in the compressor. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. What would an 80s car be without the louvers on the back of it? There would be your glass T-tops over there. And again, still pictures. You can check those out installed in the car and see still pictures without it. Pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Take a look down the driver's side, excuse me. Now, I will tell you one thing. The weather stripping is checked a little bit. There's kind of a few kind of little dingers around that door handle. You can kind of see them. It's not real major. I just kind of want to point that out. Give everybody a fair opinion and views of this car. All right, let's take a little peek at the interior. Dark gray leather. This would be the stock interior. First off, door panels, of course, power locks, power mirrors. Also would have power windows. Those would be, switches would be located on the center console. Nice bucket seats. Not too bad. You can see a little bit of wear. And get the camera around to get the angle of it. Here you go. A little bit of wear in the leather. It's not really ripped or worn through. Just showing its age a little bit. Get a little leather cream, soften that up, make it a little more supple. Miles 112,640, so 112,640. Those are actual. And again, no accents on the Carfax. Nothing indicated there. Confirms miles. Clear title in this one, folks. As you can see, gauge is working. This brake light, if you notice over here, let me make sure I've been neutral here a second. You can see the brake light. The parking brake foot pedal just goes down a little bit so that light comes on, but it is not on. The door's open, so that indicator light's on there. There you can see the turbo boost gauge. Does have an aftermarket Pioneer stereo system to it that does work. A little bit of a subwoofer box in the hatch, so you can tell you get a pretty good stereo in here. Blower fan and everything works on that. I just did not have the AC kick in, and you can see the top of the dash. No cracks, good shape there. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds as you'd expect. No crazy exhaust, anything like that. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that 2.2 liter intercooled turbo, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go. Take a look under the hood. Seems all the AC components are there, like I said, just not have the compressor kick on and off. There's your 2.2 liter. Intercooled turbo, power steering, power brakes. What you'd expect underneath the hood of an 88 Dodge Daytona. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.